The 2026 BMW Motorhome is breaking all boundaries, blending luxury, performance, and technology like never before. Is this the ultimate road trip machine or just a fancy hype? Let's find out in this exclusive review by Honest Auto Reviews. Welcome back to Honest Auto Reviews. Today, we're diving into something that's turning heads all over the auto world. The all-new 2026 BMW Motorhome. Yes, you heard it right. BMW has entered the motorhome market, and they've done it with style, intelligence, and signature German engineering that at first glance, the 2026 BMW Motorhome screams elegance. The exterior features smooth aerodynamic lines, LED matrix headlights, a signature kidney grille adapted for the RV lifestyle, and solar panels integrated on the roof. Built on a lightweight carbon aluminum chassis, this motorhome promises both strength and agility. Step inside, and you're welcomed into a world of high-end luxury. The interior is what you'd expect from a top-tier BMW. Leather-wrapped everything, ambient lighting with multiple mood settings, real wood and brushed aluminum trims, and even a panoramic smart glass ceiling that adjusts tint automatically, depending on sunlight. The lounge area transforms into a bedroom with the push of a button, and there's a retractable OLED screen paired with a full surround sound system built into the walls. The kitchen is modern and minimalist, featuring induction cooktops, a smart fridge, and a voice-controlled espresso machine. The bathroom doesn't fall short either. It's complete with a rain shower, a self-cleaning toilet, and even a built-in air purifier. Under the hood, or should we say under the cabin, BMW has installed a plug-in hybrid system with up to 400 miles of combined range. It uses a turbocharged 6-cylinder engine paired with BMW's latest eDrive tech, allowing this beast to handle steep inclines and long highway cruises with ease. The regenerative braking system also boosts efficiency during downhill travel. Tech-wise, it's loaded. From Level 3 autonomous driving to a smart assistant that learns your travel habits, route preferences, and even sleep patterns. It's like having a co-pilot that thinks like you. There's also remote vehicle monitoring via smartphone, adaptive air suspension for different terrains, and satellite link navigation that factors in weather and traffic in real time. Safety is no compromise either. Features include adaptive cruise control, crosswind assist, lane keep and lane change assist, and a 360-degree camera system with AI object detection. Whether you're cruising along the coast or navigating narrow mountain passes, this motorhome has your back. But all this luxury doesn't come cheap. The starting price? Around $325,000, and that's before options. However, for those seeking a 5-star hotel experience on wheels, the 2026 BMW Motorhome might just be worth every penny. So, what's the final verdict? BMW has successfully combined the comfort of a luxury home with the performance and reliability of a premium vehicle. While it's not for everyone, it sets a new standard for what a motorhome can be. Thanks for watching Honest Auto Reviews. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the 2026 BMW Motorhome, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update on the world's most innovative vehicles.